Good morning. We will learn the vocabulary from Hindu editorial titled Excellence in Diversity on Scrapping of Reservation in IIT Recruitment. The first word is vexed, spelling VEXED. It's an adjective meaning a problem that is difficult to deal with. Example: the conference spent days discussing the several questions of border controls. Second word, affirmative action, spelling AFFIRMATIVE, affirmative action. It's a noun. Government takes affirmative action. If government takes affirmative action, it gives preference to women, OBC, EOC, SC, ST, and PH groups that are often treated unfairly. Affirmative actions are nothing but called as reservations. Next word is staggering, spelling STAGGERING. It's an adjective meaning so great, shocking, or surprising that is difficult to believe. Example: staggering beautiful flower. The next word is distortion. It's a noun. Example meaning change shape, appearance, or sound of something so that it is strange or not clear. Example: a gross distortion of the facts. The next word is concomitant. Spelling CONCOMITANT. It's a noun. Something that taken at the same time as something else or other else. Example: loss of memory is a concomitant of loss of memory is a natural concomitant of old age. Next one is acquainted, spelling ACQUAAINTED. It's a adjective knowing or learning or being familiar. Example: I am not professionally acquainted with the gentleman in question. The next word is aspire. It's a verb. To want something very much or hope to achieve something. Most students aspire to a career as a business. Next one is imperative. It's an adjective meaning extremely important or urgent. Example: it is imperative to act now before the problem gets really serious. The next word is liberal, spelling LIBERAL. It's an adjective respecting and allowing many different types of beliefs or behaviors. Example: liberal society. The next word is scholarship, spelling SCHOLARSHIP, scholarship. It's a noun. One meaning is serious or detailed study. Other example is an amount given to by the school or college or any other organization to pay for the studies of a person with a great ability but little money. The next word is scrapping. It's a verb. Not to continue with the system or plan. That's a meaning. Example, on scrapping of reservation in IIT recruitment. The next word is diversity. It's a noun. The fact of many different types of things or people being included in something. The next word is deprived. 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 It's a adjective meaning without enough food, education, and all other things necessary for people to live. Example, she had deprived childhood. The next word is echo. Echo. ECHOES. It's a noun. The sound that is heard after it has been reflected off surface such as wall or clip. Example, a thick carpet reduces echo in the hallway. These are the meanings and uses in the uses. Thank you for listening.